How much anari are we making? For the whole village? It's like the Kardashians, but make it Cypriot. I love the hairnet. We're having a 5-minute break. Today, we're making Bourekia. So we've got, this is whole milk, full fat, and then full fat. So we're making anari, yeah? Anari is like ricotta. Yeah. It's warm. Gani? So that's like just under half, so that's probably, what's that, 1.5 litres of milk, and we've just done like a teaspoon. Gani? You don't think so? It's getting a bit solid, isn't it? That's so satisfying. Look at that! Look at that! She's like, do it and turn the gas on. It's like stitching me up here. So we've broken it up, and now we're warming it, and that's going to split the curds in the whey. I feel like that's curds and whey. Curds and whey. Yeah, you can see. It's like you can see the water. So we leave it out of the fridge in here. We really push it down, but you need to leave it for a few hours. Yeah. Beautiful. How easy is that? I got you the good milk. Made some cheese. So we're breaking up the anari with some cinnamon and some caster sugar and some, you can either use orange blossom or rose water, but we like orange blossom. And then it's easy to judge when you're sitting there drinking tea, isn't it? Gala? We're having a 5-minute break. She's telling me off the bolsters. And what are you doing, isn't it? Gani? It's my fault. So plain flour, salt, oil, olive oil, and warm water. And then You happy finally? So we let it rest for 20 minutes. Gala? Okay. Lovely. Okay. Take some pride in your work, woman. Just, oh my God. It's okay? Sure. Oh, your palms. Okay. Yeah, more strength. Is that thin enough?
Yeah.
Sure? Yeah. You're not going to moan at me? Like a heaped, like a tablespoonful. So we're basically making ravioli. So you want it to be completely enveloped by the filo. So you just want to fold it over. You use your fingers just to get rid of any air bubbles, like that. And then you can use a glass, you can use a ravioli cutter like this. Beautiful. They're lovely, isn't they? Yeah. Oi. Good. Approval? I need to get you a stool, you know, like a judging stool. See, I got bravo. Beautiful. Look at that, yeah. Be nice. It's not hard. It's not. Especially if you're gonna buy anari, it's not hard. It's only like 5 ingredients. Danny.
Τώρα τρώτε.
Beautiful.
Τι τρώτε τώρα.
Δοκιμάσεις.
Δοκιμάστε.
The next one, Alright, sorry. I get told off. She wants your approval. Now she's ready. That, honestly, I think they're the best ones we've ever made. You know, there's lots of things in life where it's like you can cheat and do shortcuts. But look at this, making the filo, making the ricotta, it just shows, doesn't it? If you take the time, it is different, it is better, isn't it? Because this is like recipe number 2. And this is what she does with the leftover dough normally. There's never enough pittoues. Gani? Okay. Κάθαμε. Yeah, lovely. This is the syrup for the pittoues. Cinnamon, cloves, and some lemon juice, and sugar, water, and honey. That stays cold, so we leave that there. So we're just piercing with a fork. That's to get rid of any air bubbles. Yeah. So we know, because you can see it's bubbling up. It's a bit like when you line a pastry case. You know, like if you're blind baking a pastry case, you prick it with a fork, don't you, all over.
Glaze.
Okay. So these 2 now. Put them in the syrup.
Έτσι, τελειώσατε. Εντάξει. Δεν κανένα τραγούδι.
Love it. You just throw them in and I do all the hard work. Beautiful.
Come on,
Alice.
come on.
Come on, Alice.
La με τρέβανε. Άντε, δεν τρέπετε πίσω.
So good.
Η Bourekia πράγματα.
We're vegan. We made Pittoues, we made anari, we made ricotta, we made Bourekia.
Καλή τύχη.
I love you. I love you.